Hey everyone, welcome to White Falcon Publishing YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll discuss an amazing book, and the name of the book is
Shreemad Bhagavad Geeta, A Vision of the Vedanta for Beginners by Sanjiv Haribhakti.
So now let's start with the book. This book unlocks the treasure chest of Vedic wisdom expounded in Bhagavad Gita and presents its essence as a simple translation and explanation of each shloka and easy to read summary for each adhyay. The unique feature of this book are QR code links to shloka chanting for ease of pronunciation, brief summaries, and karma principles. In this book, there are simple understanding of each of the 700 shlokas and its practical application in daily life. And also there are QR links for chanting of each 700 shlokas and each of the 18 adhyayas. This book helps to understand the link between each shloka and each adhyay. At any given time, I suggest one should not read for more than 1 hour, at the most 2 at a time, and take some time off during the day to contemplate on what one has read and how it can be applied to our existing understanding in life. After reading the explanation of each verse, it is better to again read the translation of the verse for better understanding of the verse. If one commits to at least 1 hour every day for reading this book, 2 hours over the weekend to read on an average 8 to 10 pages a day, then one can complete reading the entire understanding of Bhagavad Gita in this book in about 2 to 3 months. Basically, this book is different from others because shloka translation in simple language for ease of understanding, उसकी translation दी गई है simple language में ताकि आपको अच्छे से समझ आ पाए, and simple conversation English language and not the complicated IAST for Sanskriti translation. It covers various topics of karma yoga, bhakti yoga and Ganana yoga to enable each of us to select our own path to success. And this book aims to highlight the inherent message of the art of self-management while navigating our action-oriented lives and connect with our inner self. The time to understand Gita is now, as we can reap its benefit in this life. In the words of Guru Ma, Gita teaches humanity the technique of joyful living by preparing our mind to become the dual experiences of everyday life. And the main question जो हमारे mind में आता है that what to expect while reading this book. So understanding the essence of profound wisdom of Bhagavad Gita, प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशन ऑफ भगवद गीता इन डे टू डे लाइफ कि आप जब रीड कर रहे हो तो आप उसको अप्लाई करो अपनी लाइफ में भी, करके देखो क्या चेंज आता है, आपको कैसा लगता है. And to learn chanting of Bhagavad Gita. So basically the target audience of this book are beginners who have always wished to understand Bhagavad Gita, youngsters who are keen to know the crux of Bhagavad Gita. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please hit the like button, and also for more informative videos like this, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below for updates on writing, reading, new releases and publishing.